What's up everybody, welcome to another honest comparison video. Today I have this Realme GT Neo 2 and Oneplus 9RT. Realme GT Neo 2 comes with Snapdragon 870 and Oneplus 9RT comes with Snapdragon 888, but I wanna check the differences. Which one offers better value for money? Well, if you're interested in these two smartphones, then I wish that you will watch through this video, and if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button. Also, if you want to watch more videos like this, there are many in this channel and there are more to come. So I wish that you will subscribe to this channel and share the love. Well, without a lot of intro, let's start our comparison between Realme GT Neo 2 and Oneplus 9RT. But before we start the video, let's quickly check the specifications of these two smartphones. Okay, let's do the unboxing of these two smartphones together. After opening the box, you will find more similarities than any differences. Other than the names and the colors, everything is almost the same. There is an envelope which contains warranty papers and quick start guide. OnePlus, as usual, provides a set of stickers and a welcome note from the CEO. Let's put these smartphones aside and check what other things are there. Underneath the smartphone, you will find a TPU silicone protective case. Different colors, but again almost identical. I believe these were manufactured in the same factory and truly no difference in quality. Underneath the protective case, both comes with a 65-watt charger. Trust me, these are the same charging bricks. Only the labels printed on these chargers are different. Other than different brand names, there is almost no difference. In Realme ecosystem, it's known as Super Dart, and in OnePlus, it's Warp Charge 65. Both comes with a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Different colors, but the same quality. Here is everything that you will get inside the box of these smartphones. On the left, it's Oneplus 9RT, and I actually don't like this glossy rear design. It doesn't look as premium as OnePlus 9 Pro, but in hand it feels premium and overall it has that flagship class feelings. Realme GT Neo 2, like OnePlus 9RT, also got glass back, but mostly matte finish. I said mostly cause there is this black glossy racing stripe. Due to its glossy finish, OnePlus 9RT is a fingerprint and smudge magnet, while Realme GT Neo 2 can stay away from fingerprint and smudges at the back. Build quality of these smartphones are really good, but it seems a bit better on OnePlus 9RT. Everything on this device is precisely designed like any other OnePlus device, and everything is well implemented. Beside this 9RT, Realme GT Neo 2 looks a bit ordinary. Rear camera block, rear camera bump and rear camera design. All the elements are similar. OnePlus and Realme has moved the placement of the sensors to give it a unique look, but I don't see much of a difference. On top, there is nothing but a noise cancellation microphone. Both on top and bottom antenna bands are visible on 9RT. At the bottom, everything looks similar. Speaker grill, USB-C port, primary microphone and dual SIM tray. Volume rockers are on the left side and power button is on the right side. It's the same, but OnePlus got that sound profile slider on top of the power button. I really like this sound profile slider a lot. I have done a separate camera comparison video between these two smartphones. I recommend you watch that video. But briefly, OnePlus 9RT is better in camera performance. Actually, not a bit better. OnePlus 9RT camera performance is way better than Realme GT Neo 2. Both these smartphones have face unlock feature, and face unlock on both of these two smartphones works perfectly well. I haven't noticed any issue. In-display fingerprint sensors of these two smartphones are also similar. I'm not sure about this, but I feel the fingerprint sensors used underneath the display panels are the same one from the same manufacturer. 6.62-inch AMOLED panels on both of these smartphones, identical. From every single point, these displays are almost the same. Of course, these brands have calibrated the displays slightly differently cause they needed to create some point of differences. These are flat panels, supports 120Hz refresh rate and protected by Gorilla Glass 5. Almost all the other settings are the same. Both got this O1 Vision engine which can sharpen or enhance colors of videos. I will leave this to you. Watch this carefully and let me know which one do you think is better. Personally, I don't see much of a difference, but I think Oneplus 9RT color profile looks a bit better. Time to check the speakers. Both have stereo speaker setup, one dedicated bottom firing speaker and the other one is the earpiece of the smartphone. Once again, I'm freaking tired of the similarities.
Days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. Days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain.
At the beginning, let me show you. There is nothing running in the background. Let's do some CPU throttling test. Okay, I have selected 15 threads, which is good to check the performance of Snapdragon 870, but we need to bump it up to 20 for Snapdragon 888 on Oneplus 9RT. I will run this for 10 minutes. Let's see which one has better thermal management. You can clearly see Oneplus 9RT has performed better and it comes with better thermal management. But this doesn't mean Realme GT Neo 2 is worse and it will have thermal throttling. If you really want to do some nitpicking, then Realme has shown hints of throttling, which in real life usage wouldn't even mean anything. You actually wouldn't feel the differences. Anyway, you need to understand you won't be able to play games on extreme or high graphics on a Snapdragon 870 smartphone, and performance of Snapdragon 870 will never be the same as Snapdragon 888. Talking about gaming, rather than playing games and showing you what I am playing, I will run 3DMerc the Gamer's benchmark. I am running wildlife stress test, and if you want to know your current smartphone's gaming capabilities, then you can download and run this test. This one is not like Antutu. This one offers a lot more information and most importantly provides correct and precise information. Okay, both of these two have performed very well. They have achieved respectable scores in their own segment, and most importantly, check the differences of highest and lowest loop score. Realme GT Neo 2 has better stability than OnePlus 9RT. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, there are two other things that we need to talk about. The first thing is battery. This one comes with 4500 mAh battery and this one comes with 5000 mAh battery. Yeah, the battery is bigger and it provides me almost 1 hour of extra screen on time on top of this one. I actually get around 6 hours of screen on time on this one and I get about 7 hours of screen on time on this one. But this one takes 8 minutes longer to get fully recharged. I mean, from 0 to 100, OnePlus 9RT takes 30 minutes and this Realme GT Neo 2 takes about 38 minutes most of the time. Sometimes it gets to 40 minutes. It depends on how you charge your smartphone, but I prefer faster charging, so I think OnePlus 9RT is better. But if you want longer screen on time, definitely you will get that from this Realme GT Neo 2. Yeah, both of these two smartphones comes with Android 11 and runs on ColorOS, but they have their own skin, Android skin, like Realme calls it Realme UI, and in some places it's Oxygen OS, but these days things are really pretty similar. It's very difficult to find any differences. Haptic feedback of OnePlus 9RT is better than Realme GT Neo 2, and if I have forgot to show you how does it look with the protective cases on, then here it is. Definitely OnePlus 9RT looks better with its provided protective case. I wish Realme has provided a clear, transparent protective case for this one, because with that dark grey colored protective case, this one doesn't look as beautiful. Anyway, it's time for verdict, and yes, Realme GT Neo 2 wins because this one is way cheaper than this OnePlus 9RT. If you don't need that flagship class performance, then definitely you can go with this one. But if camera performance is important, then you have to forget about this Realme GT Neo 2. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. And if you want to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe and share the love. Don't forget to make a comment and let me know in the comment section below what do you think about these two smartphones and what other comparison videos would you like to watch.